Tenses. Active voice. Passive voice. Present. Present simple tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Past. Past simple tense. Past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Future. Future simple tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Present simple tense. Subject plus verb plus object. Somebody plus does plus something. Example 01. You go there. Example 2. They help us. Example 3. He speaks English. He speaks English. We work together in this office. I know the value of English. My parents always advise me. My father earns much money. It rains here every day. I try my best to pass the exam. They help me on every occasion. You do your homework.